the Jupiter section, we play. Oh yeah, look, it's the Stramp. It's the where suppose ko to sa Stramp.
Get over it.
Don't.
These three are not with the Stramp gang. Only me and this guy. Go. But they are kasali for this video. They are sidekicks.
I'm going to touch you.
No. Angelo, he's going to touch me. I don't care. Stay there.
3, 2, 1.
3, 2, 1.
Ito.
Who's gonna win? It's so crazy. Who's gonna win? Hi, Maxine. Why you shy? Ooh. Sheesh. No, pwede. Pwede ilampasin ng line. Kapag defense lang. Kapag attack, pwede.
Yeah.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, go! Woo! Sayang. Pilang taas ako. Upo ako. Kel, do you have your phone right now? Get it.
No.
Ooh, sayang.
Just send it to me, bro.
Okay. Go. Ooh, sayang. Ooh, sayang. Sayang. Your turn. Ooh. That was slow. Go. Ooh. Wala pang panalo.
Bro, ang hirap. Wait lang. Ako na.
Focus.
Ako na to.
Kubit.
Yes, go.
Go. Oh! 1-0!
6-7.
Yeah! Hanggang 3. Here.
Oh, you.
Ball. Here. Wait, hanggang 3.
Hanggang 3. Sige.
Go.
6.
Oh, kubit. Disqualify, kubit.
Ulit yun.
Go. Ulit. Oh, ulit.
Oh, let's go.
Ooh, sayang.
What's my name?
Elijah Liam.
Yung 1.
Go.
1, 2, 3. You will start looking for the other ball. I'm not game.
Go. Ooh, sayang. Bro, backshotted the ball.
Backshotted. Nag-choose pa kayo kanina? Opo.
Opo.
Samsung po.
Samsung.
Samsung po yung nagtungo ng bayad kanina. Samsung? Big, ayusin yung bola ko.
Go, Liam. Ooh. Actually, bro, stop backshotting the ball.
Mapayos. Kaya nawakan ako
Go.
magnet. Try mo yung backshot. Ako na.
Ooh, sayang. Oh, there. Oh, why you backshotting the ball? Yeah, why you backshotting the ball?
Oh, asma.
Wait. Close mo yung hand mo na ganito. Wait, here.
This time,
Ooh.
try this ball.
Stop backshotting the ball.
Okay.
Gimme.
Wait lang. Sino na? Ikaw na.
Yes, madam.
Ikaw na. Asa na yung, meron kang 2 bola. Asa na yung isang bola? Ikaw, asa na yung isang bola? Isang bola na lang. Go.
Oh, isang bola na. Go.
Isang bola na lang.
Yeah, that's good. Give me the balls. Kapag may nahulog, we have extra. You get it. You get them. Ooh, just stop backshotting the ball. 3 little balls. Spin.
Lumala.
Taba ka sa turo, sa turita.
Elijah 2. Black ball, 1.
Oh,
Wanna try?
ako na lang. Uy, uy.
Oy, sino niya? Sino ulit?
Wait lang.
Zero ulit.
Silo. Oh, Kian, hawakin mo ang camera. Hawakan mo ang camera.
No, I.
Bro,
Ano?
backshot.
I haven't got defeated yet.
No, ako naman. Di pa ako nakatry. Hold the
Okay.
camera. Hold the camera.
I'm gonna backshot the ball.
No. Okay, go.
Oy, asan na yung tatlong bola?
Go na to. Pick. Give me.
Bro, you only have 1 balls.
Okay.
Yeah. Bro.
3,
Oh.
2, you have the balls.
Yan, gamitin mo yan.
Oh.
Ooh.
Zoomin mo by 2, Kian.
Oo.
Zoomin mo by 2. Zoomin mo yan? Hey, wait lang. Zoomin mo by 2. Yan,
Zoom out.
Hindi. Zoom in. Hindi.
Oh, mami. Ano?
Like this.
Oh.
1.2.
Okay.
Hold it. 1.2.
Ooh.
Let's go.
1. 1-1.
I think that, oh, this is qualified. What? Go.
If that move, he,
You try again.
no, if that move, he win.
Like that?
Yes, because that move, right?
Go.
Okay, 2-1. 2-1.
Oh,
2.
1-1
O sige, 1-1.
He agrees.
Pero kapag gumalaw yan, nung tinrow ng kalaban yung bola,
Ay, hindi.
yung kalaban makaka-point.
Okay. Akala ko global falls.
Oh, that was a hit.
Perfect. Ooh, sayang. I did your own ball. Go.
Go. ulat.
Sumama yung pambato. Asan? Uy!
Okay, there.
Bang? Ooh, okay. Gumalaw.
Gumalaw! Yep. Huh? Yes, gumalaw. Gumalaw kita. Go. Go. Wala. Wala.
Dili.
Go. Wait.
Tignan kung gagalaw. Go.
Why you laughing?
Go. Nope.
Oh, give it to me.
Go.
Let's go. Yan na. 2, 1.
2-1.
Ito na kipas. Ay, sorry. Nakipas eh.
Gumalaw. 2-2.
Wala. Kapag ganito lang, kapag nag-ganito, kapag nag-straight or like 80-degree rotation, kapag lesser than 80-degree rotation, doesn't count. Okay? 1, go. Measure it.
Oh, that's
80
80 degrees.
This is an 80 degree.
Yeah. At saka nung sinot mo, gumalaw yung ano mo.
Why do you keep hitting your own hand?
Okay, that's when you try to hit my turn.
Wait, no. I give it to you. Ooh, down.
Down.
That's
3-2.
Okay, any form of color.
Hanggang 5.
6 na.
6, 7.
Hanggang 5.
So, 1 move.
Si Eric's 3. 4. Si Eric's 4. Ikaw 2.
Why? Okay, go. What? Get it? Come on. Oh, there.
Oh, that was a shot. 5-3. Hanggang 6 na. 6 I think. Final point na lang si Eric. Tapos na. Wala na.
Bonus round.
Ano?
Bonus round.
Bonus round.
Sige, go.
Okay, okay.
One more shot. Yo,
Ulit.
ulit.
3, 2, 1.
Ulit, bonus round.
3, 2, 1, go. Nope. Oh.
Ulit,
You win.
You what? Yeah! Give me the ball. Give me the balls. Give me the balls. Wait, give me the balls, Ken.
Di ba maglalaro?
Wait lang, mamaya. Naka-judge.
You haven't defeated me yet.
How about we try two
Uy, ito
players
na yung
there?
triangle.
What?
Triangle.
First one to hit the triangle. Okay, sige.
Okay.
Sige, here. Wait.
O, sino yung Anton? Yung video.
Dalawa kasi dito.
Wow.
First one to hit the triangle.
Yeah, there's 2 triangles. Good luck. This as a whole. This is the easy. This is
That's the hardest one. The whole one. So,
when there's a hole. Ja, wait, not yet. Ja, do you know the sentence? If there's a hole,
There's a bow.
there's a goal. Come on, bro. Okay, guys. Okay, 3, 2, 1, and go.
so like the easiest
Wait, not yet. Wait.
the easiest one.
Wait. Wala pa. So, babalik sa inyo. Wait, wala pa. I need pictures for this. There. Go. Wait lang. I'm recording from here. Remy, peram lang ng tumbler mo, Remy.
What the hell are you doing?
Camera angle.
Give me the ball.
Wait, here.
Give me the ball.
Wait. I think here is perfect.
3,
Player, say hi.
3, 2, up.
Hello, Mills.
Go.
Go.
Nah.
Ooh. 3. Go.
Go. Oh.
To be honest, that was kind of cool. Go. Ooh.
Jumped over it. Jumped
Saan yung
over
mga
it.
person nila? Bakit ka pa nabasket, ha?
Okay. Okay po. Give me the ball. Why? Tama na daw. Sabi ni madam. Where's the black ball, Ken? Ah, si Maxi lang po lumabas. Ah, di ba apat lang tayo? Tapos si Milton ba yung galing? Wala na po. Hello guys. So bye-bye.